What's going on, guys? Today we have an eventful / uneventful day. It's gonna be one of those days where I just freestyle a video. I said I wanted to be more consistent when it came to these videos, so I'm just gonna freestyle when it comes to this video. So about to get up, get ready, and go to my boy Veer's house. Fun fact, Veer Pops got some fucking heat. But we gonna show you, I can show you better than I could tell you. And we about to head there right now. I just got up not too long ago. I worked till like mad late. How we gonna I kinda like this. Like I didn't like it at first, but it came with the truck. It's like a bed cover. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like it at first, but it's actually clutch, cause like my girlfriend, she lives in the projects. I'm not trying to talk down on nobody. Nigga, I don't trust nobody over there, so. And I don't know nobody over there. She tell me the same shit, and she been living there all her life. But I kinda like it, cause it's private, like, you know. People can't see back here. And like, I be having my wheels back there and shit. I'm outside, fish bait.
Nigga, my bad, bro. Give me 20 minutes, nigga. Niggas called me my niece. Nobody picked my niece up from school, so I had to go run and pick her up.
Alright, bet I'm here though. People, man, I tell you, but he just said that he's about to go pick up his niece from school, I guess. So I was right here. I don't care. Chill. Yeah.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
No cap. Pause. I need you, my nigga.
What happened?
Yo, can you bring me some E85, bro?
Hold on 2 seconds. Hold on 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, who say that again? Somebody called me. What happened? Yo! This nigga. Yeah, say what you were saying again. I didn't hear you.
Yo.
Say what you were saying again. I didn't hear you.
I said, can you bring me some E85, bro?
Where you at?
On Yonkers Ave.
Where the fuck is that at?
Alright, I'm gonna send you my location, bro. You got a gas tank?
I think I do. I'm in front of your crib. You got one there?
There's one in front of my crib, but I don't know what it has in it.
I mean, can't you pour it out?
Yeah, pour it up. Nigga, bro, I need gas right now, nigga. This car cut off, no gas.
Alright, so, I mean, if that's the thing, I'll get the gas tank and I'll head to you. I just don't know where Yonkers Ave is at. Not trying to talk down on nobody or, like, wish on nobody downfall, but I'm fake happy recorded because, like, this content right here. So, my boy Veer in his pop's car, and now I gotta go get 85 for him. So I went to his crib real quick. Oh, I just smoked the mirror. Yeah, I just hit the mirror. But I'm about to go get thing there. Yo, I just hit the mirror. Oh, I keep rambling. I'm about to go get E85 real quick for him at the gas station that's nearby our crib. And then shoot over to Yonkers real quick, because he told me his location. He still has yet to send me it, but I'm about to just go over there real quick and get the gas real quick, and then that's it. So right now, I gotta find a way to empty this. Oh, that shit just broke. Oh. Gotta find out how to empty this shit out. Once I empty it, put gas in there. I need a little nutriment. I'm fake tight though, I fake broken. This dickhead shit. Put like a gallon in this motherfucker, that should be good. Motherfucking corn curve. So now, text fare, there, 17. Guess we're going over to Yonkers Avenue. We're like 4 minutes away. And on the cross county. Yeah, the work truck putting in work, bro. So doing pickup things, man. But yeah, we like 4 minutes away. Gotta buy a funnel because I broke that damn cap off. Hopefully that gas didn't spill back there. Hopefully it didn't spill. Yeah, fucking funnel broke. Now we gotta try to finesse that shit. Oh wait, hold on. Huh?
So you should have cut this a little deeper. That shit gonna pull all over your hand, bro. Move your hand.
Wait, turn it this way then. Yeah. Wait, is that? Alright then. 30 Max putting in work. Nah, everybody call it Duramax Dirty Max. I gotta call this, I'm gonna call it To The Max. Nah, that's kind of cliche. I'm gonna come up with a name with it. Yo, comment down below a name I should name the Duramax. Like Mad Max, nah, not yet. But yeah, so my boy ran out of gas. Some of the E spilled in the back of the truck. I mean, it dried up, but fuck it. So now we're gonna situate that. I still gotta go back to his crib and fucking finesse the shit, so we're gonna do that real quick. Hopefully that's enough gas for him to get to where he gotta go to get gas, cause I've never brought E85 a day in my life. So if you enjoying these side quest missions, man, holla at me, man. I need y'all to comment down below. Some, I don't know, man, but feel me, like I said, I've been trying to be more consistent, and being more consistent involves me doing this, feel me? So now we about a thirsty nigga about a drink. Oh yeah, let me get some of them thirsty. Ah God, let me know what you think about this name, Maximus. Feel me? Maximus the Duramax. Yeah, I kind of like that, but yo, one of the guys I work with fucked up my headlights, but I think I'm gonna do black housings, but kind of liking that. Maximus? The only problem I'm having with Maximus right now is fuel filter. So I gotta get like a gasket or something maybe to situate that, but Maximus, I'm fucking with that. If y'all like that, if y'all like Maximus, comments Maximus for the win, because we out here saving lives, man. This ugly nigga. Hopefully that's enough to get to where you gotta go. You think that's enough?
Hell no, nigga. Hold it.
Enough to start it. He said he got 2200 cc injectors. Hopefully that's enough fuel to get it, cause I fucked up. The fuel spilled in the back and I cracked the filler neck. That's a big ass muffler. Look at this shit. I should have one of them shits on here. But yeah, hopefully the... Oh, we out of here. Roll, we back. We mobbing it right now, so far so good. We almost there. Fingers crossed. That shit is moving, blood. Now don't give it gas. 2200 cc injectors ain't gonna like that, blood. But yeah, we suck ya muma pussy wala. Sound clip on how it sound kinda.
State, that's not a hate, family straight, food on the plate, bills paid in full, we would always be late. Grown man, when you learn to pay what you weigh. Took a lot of losses, that's what made me a boss. Got I miss out my thoughts, that's 6 feet in the grave. Back in store, I wanna know who you gon' call, who gon' keep that shit raw, make 'em get down on late. Gotta play it safe, keep you a Drake. Let it out, first wrong move that he make. Quick draw, ain't leave no room to debate. Ain't here to make no mistakes. Face on my plate, you can turn me a tray. We gon' keep it.
So we finally made it to the G station. My boy gotta get that E85, you know what I'm saying? So we about to do that. I actually gotta go sell a car real quick for my boy Gabe. And then we gonna head to Veer crib. And then Diddy brought back. We just finished here real quick. And now we about to, I gotta go sell this car real quick. And then from there I'm about to go help him.
I told you, bro. See if I can find a nigga on. I swear to God, bro. Y'all niggas can pass for brothers.
That is his brother.
Some nigga named Fran or something.
So, sold the car. Now I'm about to go help this nigga. That should be the end of the video after this, right?
Fix my car.
Fix your fucking car. Oh
Yo,
my.
let me ask you a question. You just gonna have to bring whatever close, bring the truck close. You gonna pull it back to like right here. And then I'm gonna just roll it close, not close to the wall, but closer to the wall, because my nigga, that driveway, one car can fit.
Let's see.
What's these 17s? Yo. By the back, you feel locked. It's locked. K-Series the MDX.
Huh? You said what?
This is the K-Series.
What?
K-Series the MDX.
So why didn't I know about this?
I don't know, nigga.
It's an ugly nigga.
Bro,
Yeah.
that ass, I caught a splinter.
Tell your dad you need a new turbo.
You want the tweets? I got one in my car.
Bro, I don't even know where it's at, nigga. I just feel it. This shit is
Yeah,
killing
tell your
me.
dad, yo, you need a big turbo, man.
Yeah, bro. This man,
You don't even need that. You just love big turbos.
this man is
What transmission is that?
K-Series.
CRV.
Hmm?
CRV.
Oh, the old drop shit.
Bro, what the fuck?
So long as it's not.
So the adapters came in the mail. I got these 2-inch motherfuckers. So yeah, we gonna throw these on, and then for me, I got the wheels. I didn't show you how the wheels, but I got the wheels right there. So look at that. Throw these on, and I'm gonna get a wash. Probably try to get some tints today. But yeah, so boom. That's what we doing today. I'm gonna get back to you guys once the wheels on, cause my camera's low-key dying. So that's the end of this video. The wheels aren't fitting, so I'm not gonna force them. These are the wheels though. I'm gonna put them, I'm gonna go to the place tomorrow, get them re-drilled and call it a day. So I ain't dealing with that right now. I'm just gonna put back all my stock wheels and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm exhausted right now.